we're camping.
Whatever.
There's so many.
You know, Emma, I need my water. I'm like empty. Can we go get water?
Yeah, I'm so thirsty.
We're gonna go get water. We'll be right back. Bye.
Why are you always so pissed?
Can you leave me alone?
I need an explanation.
Wait, guys, oh my god, they've been gone for like 2 whole minutes. I'm like, what happened?
So, literally, who cares?
It actually has been a little while.
Yeah, it has been a while. It's been 3 hours.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it's been like 2 minutes. I don't know. So let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. I hope they're okay.
Yeah.
Stop worrying about it. I bet they're fine. They might just be giggling.
A watermelon? Oh my god, they're not at the water fountain. Guys, they're not.
Is that a wolf?
It's literally just a wolf. Who cares?
Let's go check it out.
Wolfie!
What?
You might not want to go. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wake up!
They're dead.
Wake up! No, they're taking a nap.
Okay,
dead.
can we just go back? It doesn't even
They're
matter.
dead.
I don't care.
Wake
You
up!
should care for once. You need to have some feelings.
They weren't even necessary in the group. Okay?
Don't be mean to them. They're dead.
Literally, no one cares. Can we just go back and get more
Rest in
food?
peace.
Wake up. Shots are taking a nap. I'll wake them up.
Literally, look at them. They're dead.
Can we just go back? No one cares.
Why the heck did you think they were sleeping? That's not a smart decision.
Because they weren't. They just need to wake up.
They aren't sleeping. They're dead.
Can we just go back? I'm serious.
1 minute.
I'm like, are you calling Pizza Hut? Because if you are,
Okay, this is literally ridiculous. Like, why are we waiting for an FBI agent to come? And like, they're already dead.
They're dead. Exactly. They're not alive. They're murdered.
Whatever. Why is the wolf here?
This is red! Hello? Okay, so someone called me. What's the deal?
I called you. Our friends died.
Oh, okay. Who are your friends? Can I sit here?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Who are your friends?
We have our friends who are going camping.
Cakes or pants?
We're going camping, and they went to go get water, and we found their dead bodies.
And they
up
died. They died.
there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so where did you find them?
Up on the steps. Over there.
Over where?
There.
Over where? Where is
Near that building.
Okay, so I have loads of experience. Let me handle it. Okay, so where did the blood come from? Who was that girl?
Okay.
That's Abby.
Okay.
I'm not Abby.
Oh god. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just cut it out. Keep going.
No, that's
Keep
Abby.
going. Keep going.
That's Abby.
Okay. I feel like you should probably be more like dumb.
Well, this is where the bodies were.
Really? I don't see any bodies here.
Well, yeah, duh. They must have been taken away or something.
Are you like sure?
Yeah.
I really don't see any evidence here. There's like no evidence to support the ice cream.
What?
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 You said that this is an ice cream case.
No, our friends are dead.
Pineapples is pie made out of pineapples? That sounds so weird. Road? You're literally such a bad detective. You don't even know what's going on.
Yeah.
This isn't about ice cream.
Our friends are dead.
Where was it? Where was it? Oh, right, the friends died. I don't have any evidence on that. I'm sorry, but there's just like nothing on that. There's no evidence. There's like nothing.
Oh, towel and clothes.
Sweatshirt.
Whose even are those?
I think that's Isabella's towel.
Wait, where is she? Where's Lindsay?
Oh my god, I hope they're okay.
Oh my god, it's really burning.
I know.
Okay, I literally don't care. Like, I mean, where even is she?
Lindsay?
What are you doing?
Did you kill our friends?
They're not dead. They're alive.
No, they're not.
Girl, no, they're not.
Michelle. They're dead. They have no heartbeat.
Girl, what did you do?
Why this? I don't get the point.
I don't.
At the campfire, everyone got 2 marshmallows, and I only got 1, so I had to do something.
So you killed them.
Yeah, I killed
Yeah, I think you're out of the friend group now.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.